Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be talking about Swapnex.io, which is an arbitrage trading platform that has been pretty lovely and sweet for me, that has been giving me nice daily passive income. So stay tuned, because in this video we're going to take a deep dive into the project and I'll show you how to get started for those of you that want to invest into this one as well. But before we do so, if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. This is Studi Crypto, where we simplify crypto for the average investor. And if you like this content, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Finally, remember, crypto investing can be super risky, especially right now. The market is not looking so hot. So please make sure to do your own research. Please make sure to take whatever you see out there with a grain of salt, as this information is really just here, put it out for you guys on our behalf as an edutainment type purposes only. So we urge you to please do your own research. But without further ado, let's get right into Swapnex.io. Now, many of you may be watching this video and may say, hey, what the hell is arbitrage trading? So this is just going to be a quick little recap, a quick little educational portion of this video, just to give you an idea of exactly what arbitrage trading is. To keep it simple, arbitrage trading is literally just buying an asset low and selling it high through different markets. So let's just say, for example, you have a KuCoin or a Coinbase. On Coinbase, let's say you have the price of Bitcoin that could be at 30,000. On KuCoin, the price of Bitcoin could be $30,120. The differences in these prices is what arbitrage trading is. You're pretty much buying it on one platform and you're selling it on another platform so that you can make a profit. Now remember, these price changes happen literally in seconds, milliseconds, quadruple milliseconds. So just keep in mind that sometimes it can be a little complicated and it can be risky. But over the years, through technology, there have been many improvements, especially with bots, to help execute a lot of these trades and come out on top. Now, these can be done manually if you know what you're doing. But again, like stated, this can be super risky. So please be really careful. Arbitrage is trading that exploits the tiny differences in price between identical assets in two or more markets. The arbitrage trader buys the asset in one market and sells in the other market at the same time in order to pocket the difference between the two prices. Imagine if your friend said, hey, I have an apple that I want to sell to you, but your other friend says, hey, I have an apple that I want to buy for you. So your friend is selling you an apple, let's just say for $1. Your other friend says, hey, I want to buy an apple from you for $1.50. So you say, okay, you're the middle guy. So now you come and you buy that apple for $1. Immediately you turn around and sell it your friend for $1.50. Now remember, because you bought that for $1, you're out of $1. But because you sold it for $1.50, now you made 50 cents because you just turned around and sold it to your other friend. So you are in the green of 50 cents. So think of that apple as being an asset. This platform has an array of many products that does arbitrage trading. Now you can do it manually or you can do it automatic, which is what I personally do myself. So I'm going to show you guys how to get started with this, and I'm also going to just take a nice deep dive into the company itself. Personally, I like it. It can be a little overwhelming at first because there are many different plans, but I'll just keep it simple and just show you what I'm invested in, and then you guys can come on the website and check it out yourself. Now, the products that they do offer are the manual, or they offer the automatic. So pretty much the manual is you doing everything manually, you picking different pairs, and then you going from that point on to try to sell it from one to another. Or you can do it automatic, which pretty much the AI is doing all of the work for you, which is what I love, because you just sit back 24/7 and relax. Now, they do have different types of plans. They have a regular plan, which is pretty much just a free plan, or you can pretty much do an upgrade plan. I'll explain later on what the differences are, but just to give you an idea is that with different plans, you're able to get more orders per day. So pretty much that means is that it gives you more opportunity to make more money. So with one plan, you may get 4 orders. Once you get those 4 orders, the AI bot, if you're on the automatic trading, is going to execute those 4 orders throughout the day to try to get you profit. If you have a plan that offers 13 orders, so pretty much now is going to execute 13 different orders in order to get you profit throughout the day within that 24-hour span period. So they are a trading opportunity platform, pretty much just trying to give you more options. And they are on multiple exchanges. They have more than 20 exchanges right now. Also, again, keep in mind that if you get the more advanced plan, you're able to get more exchanges versus just having the regular free plan. Now they do have earnings that they show you daily, and they also have a nice security feature which they have, which is pretty cool, is multi-factor, two-factor authentication. For those of you that aren't familiar, that's like getting like a Authy or Google Authenticator. So that is pretty cool. And another cool thing is that they also have a nice referral system. If you guys want to support the channel, I'll actually leave my referral link in the description below. But if you pretty much want to jump into this project and you want to promote this to other individuals, you're able to get different levels of affiliate marketing commissions, which is also a pretty cool thing. And that's pretty much it. They also have a nice contact information in case you want to reach out to someone. Now it is through email, and they do show that where they are located. But again, you know, this is crypto. This is the Wild West. We all know how that goes. Things first, if you are new, what you are going to have to do is come here, and then you will click account, and all you will have to do is sign in or sign up to an account. Now you're going to need your email address, and you're going to have to set up a nice password. I'm already set up, so for me, I already have my account, so I'm all good to go. Now, once you set up your account, you will see your dashboard that is right here. You will see trading. You can click this just to see different options. So these are the different order books and a different pair. But right now, I'm going to show you guys how to get set up nice and simple. So first things first, once you activate your account, it's also going to send you an email to pretty much just confirm your registration. Once you confirm that registration, it's going to also ask you to set up a two-factor authentication through Google Authenticator. You're going to need to download that app and set that up, which is really good because it's an extra security measure. Once you do that, you are going to come here, and what you need to do is you need to pretty much add money to your wallet. So what you can add, which is what I added, is USDT. Now, just to be clear and simple, they have different types of USDT. Please make sure you are adding the right one. So I personally did BEP20 or BEP20 USDT, which is on the Binance Smart Chain. You can do ERC20, which is on Ethereum, or you can do TRC20. There's different types. So let's just say, for example, right now, to keep it simple, we are going to do it on the BEP20, which is on the Binance. First things first, you're going to come here, you're going to click add balance. Now, whenever you click add balance, it's going to ask you for an amount. Say we did $250. You're going to click top up. Once you click top up, it's going to tell you need to send USDT via the BEP20 network. So it's another nice thing because it's also reminding you again, guys, do not make this mistake, because if you do so, your funds will be lost. I recommend for anybody that's new to this, just try doing a small amount first, maybe $5, $10, whatever the amount is. You can always resend another amount after. It really makes no difference. Once you hit that, you're going to hit OK, confirm. Now, once you have that, what you will do is you will just copy this. And when you copy this from your MetaMask wallet, you will send money into this address. So just make sure you copy this address and send your funds, whether it's USDT or whatever it may be, into your Swapnex IO account. Now, if you don't know how to send, it's real simple. Once you go into your MetaMask wallet, all you have to do is just click send. Make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain. I'll leave a link in the description on how to set up the Binance Smart Chain if you don't have. If you want to swap funds from BNB, you can always do that through different apps such as Pancake Swap, or if you already have USDT, then you're all good to go. And you just click send, and you're going to put the amount and send whatever amount you want. Now, real important, once that's done, you're going to come here where it says trading, and we are going to pretty much at this point decide what we want to do. Now, for me, like I stated, I did this on auto mode. You can do it on different modes. It's up to you guys. If you do it manual, that's not really, you're going to have to come on and do it manually. Auto mode is just doing everything for you every single day. Passive income, you just sit back, relax, and the system is doing what it needs to do for you. So say we click auto mode. That's it. Now we are able to see the different plans. Now this is the difference, right? If you do a 30-day plan, it is executing one order per day. 45 days plan, 2 orders per day. 60-day plans, 3 orders per day, or 90-day plan, 4 orders per day. Now, they also have more extensive plans, such as the 120 days, 180 days, 360 days. Now, look, 5 orders, 6 orders, or 8 orders. There is a minimum amount, so keep that in mind. For this one, minimum amount is $2,500, so it's 0.052. I believe it's BNB, so it's around $2,500. For this one, it's 0.26. So just keep in mind, the higher the daily is, the minimum amount that is required. So you are going to be putting in a lot more money in. So me personally, I just started on the 90 days plan. You can decide to do whatever you want for yourself. So there's different order books. This is the order book that I pick. Again, remember, this is not financial advice. You can decide and pick whatever you want to do. There's many different order books here. Litecoin, Dogecoin, XRP. I personally picked the USDT to Bitcoin. This one, USDT, BTC, USDT. So I click this one right here. Once you click that, you are going to pretty much state the amount that you have, whether it's ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Now, we did BEP20. Right now, my balance is $15. I didn't send the amount, but if I would have sent that $250, I would have seen my balance here of $250. So, simple. You just put $250 and you are good to go. Once you do that, you are going to click create order. You will get a notification that your order is created, and that's it. Nothing else that needs to be done. You just sit back and relax. Now, when you scroll all the way at the bottom, you are able to see the timer on how many days you have left. Keep in mind, this video, at the time you guys have been watching it, I have already been in this platform. Probably, I would have already been in here for about a week. But as of right now, it says 89 days, right? Again, I'm putting this video out about a week later. So, keep in mind, I started with $495 and I've already made some nice profits. You can pretty much just click right here where it says show details. It's going to show you all of the orders that were executed since I jumped in yesterday. And these are the orders executed. So $3 on this day, $3 on this day, $3. Well, not on this day. It's all on the same day, but $3 on these orders. So far I've done pretty well. So 3. This is close to $11. Close to 11. No, actually close to 14, 15 bucks and change. So keep that in mind, guys. There's only been 1 day so far and I've already made close to 15 bucks. So that's pretty good. And this is off of a $495 investment. Now, again, you can decide to jump in with whatever you want to if that's the route you want to go. There is also a compounding feature. For now, I'm staying away from the compounding interest feature. Profits are pretty much reinvested. I'm just keeping it simple. And as of right now, I'm just on the auto mode and I just went on the 90 days. Again, if you want to start small, you could do it 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, whatever chooses or whatever floats your boat. So they also have certain plans as well. Right now, when you first set up your account, you're going to be on the free plan. You can also upgrade to other plans. This is 200 USD, 500 USD, or 1500 USD. You can also go through here and see what the different options are for the plans, but pretty much the plans are just giving you more exchanges, also giving you more orders and things of that nature. Again, you go over to your dashboard. It shows you everything in a nutshell. It's going to also show you all of your orders right here. If you go to transactions, it's going to show you all of the transactions that have been done and everything that is, being waited for pending and things of that nature. You can also go to promo and you could also go to referral and you could also share that referral link with anyone that you know. My referral link will be in the link in the description below if you guys decide that you want to jump in with that as well. So there you have it. This is Swapnex IO. Again, for me, it's been working perfect and it's nice passive income, but it's really up to you guys. Decide if this is something you want to do. Real simple video, guys. Real simple. If you want to jump into it, is there. If you do have any issues, please write it in the comments below and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. This is Studi Crypto. If you are new, please make sure to subscribe. See you next time.